Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're stepping inside one of Los Angeles' most striking custom homes, the estate of Cory DeFrancisco. Nestled in the heart of LA, this residence is a seamless blend of luxury, modern design, and architectural ambition. From the sweeping exterior lines to the meticulously curated interiors, every detail invites you in. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore what makes this home unique, how the design works through space and material, and why this house isn't just a living space, it's a statement. As you pull up, you're greeted by clean geometric forms, expansive glass panels, and a dramatic sense of arrival. The driveway alone hints at the scale and intention behind the architecture, wide enough to feel grand, yet perfectly composed within its setting. The facades incorporate a mix of concrete, steel, and glass, materials that speak to durability and modernity in equal measure. Landscape elements are sculptural rather than decorative. Think minimalist plantings, strategic lighting, and strong lines that echo the home structure. What really strikes you is how the exterior engages its surroundings. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between inside and out. At dusk, the house glows softly, inviting you in. From here, you already sense that this isn't your standard Beverly Hills home. It's custom, carefully considered, and built to impress. Stepping inside, you move into a foyer that sets the tone immediately. The volume is generous, ceilings tall, the finishes refined. A large pivot door opens into a space that feels both vast and human-scaled, thanks to thoughtful proportions and scaled lighting. The flooring often uses oversized tiles or continuous slabs to draw your eye through the home and minimize visual interruption. Here you'll see an intentional transition from the outside world into sanctuary. A stylish console or seating area near the entry, high-end light fixtures, perhaps an artful chandelier or linear suspension, and touches of bespoke millwork. From this point, the home invites exploration. You can sense the circulation unfolding, rooms branching off, and visual axes extending out through glass walls to the landscape beyond. The core of this house lies in its living and entertaining areas, spaces designed for both comfort and grandeur. The main living room features expansive glazing, often with sliding or folding panels that open directly to a terrace or pool deck. The palette is restrained. Neutral tones, natural woods, metal accents, and a strategic use of texture to add warmth without diluting the modern aesthetic. Furniture is positioned to optimize the view, so while you might be indoors, your line of sight is often going out through the glass to a reflection pool, infinity edge, or a meticulously framed garden. Fireplaces, when present, are sleek and linear, often clad in stone or stainless steel, and designed to anchor the space without breaking the flow. Lighting plays a key role. Recessed cove lighting establishes ambient light, complemented by task lighting and accent fixtures. Whether you're watching a movie, entertaining guests, or relaxing quietly, the mood is consistently refined. In the adjacent dining area, you'll find large-scale tables, design-forward chairs, and perhaps an open-plan quality that allows the kitchen, living, and dining to merge seamlessly. Perfect for hosting, yet still intimate for everyday living. The heart of modern homes is often the kitchen, and here the design pulls no punches. High-end appliances are integrated into custom cabinetry so that lines remain clean and uninterrupted. The island is often oversized, serving both as workspace and casual gathering spot. Materials like quartz, marble, or concrete are used for countertops and backsplashes, often with waterfall edges for dramatic effect. Storage is cleverly concealed, creating a seamless aesthetic. Fine touches might include a walk-in pantry, built-in wine storage, or integrated bar area. The layout supports both serious cooking and social interaction. Whether you're prepping a gourmet meal or chatting over a glass of wine, the space functions brilliantly. Behind or adjacent to the kitchen, you might find a family lounge or media room, spaces that allow the home to accommodate more casual, everyday use without compromising the formal entertaining footprint. Moving into the private quarters, every aspect continues the theme of luxury and modern design. The master suite is generous in scale, with walls of glass, private terraces or balconies, and direct connection to the outdoors. The decor is layered, Soft textiles and curated furniture offset the harder architectural lines and materials, making the space feel warm and inviting. The master bath is a standout, perhaps a freestanding tub strategically placed to capture a view. Large walk-in shower with frameless glass and high-end fixtures, dual vanities, and bespoke finishes such as honed stone, hand-picked tile, and custom lighting. Closet and dressing spaces are integrated with quiet sophistication, offering ample storage without sacrificing aesthetics. Secondary bedrooms maintain the same design language, each with its own character but tied together through materials and detailing. A children's wing, guest bedrooms, or separate suites present an opportunity for the home to flex, ideal for daily living and hosting visitors. One of the major draws in Los Angeles living is the outdoor space, and this estate delivers. The terrace blends seamlessly with the interior. Large sliding glass panels collapse, creating a continuous flow. The pool might be infinity-edged, reflecting the sky and blending into the horizon. Outdoor entertaining zones include lounge seating, fire features, outdoor kitchens or wet bars, and carefully integrated landscape lighting for nighttime ambiance. A rooftop deck or garden may offer panoramic views, city or mountain, while a dedicated wellness area, say a spa, sauna, gym, or even a screening room, rounds out the leisure experience. Smart home features are often embedded throughout. Lighting, audio, AV, security, and climate control menus can all be managed from your device. In sum, the outdoor experience is designed not just for show, but for real living, lounging, entertaining, relaxing, and taking in the California lifestyle. Wrapping up, the Cory DeFrancisco Custom Estate is a masterclass in marrying modern architecture with luxurious living. Every space has been conceived, refined, and executed with precision. What sets it apart isn't just the high-end finishes or the scale, it's the feeling you get when you step inside. You don't feel like you're in a display home. Instead, you sense a home that's deeply considered, where each passage leads naturally into the next, where the outdoors is not an afterthought, but a partner to the interior, and where functionality and style coexist beautifully. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury home walkthroughs, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. What was your favorite feature of this estate? And if you could choose one element for your dream home, what would it be? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.